Hello and welcome back to another one of our Caring Cooks recipes.
Today we are focusing on corned beef meatballs. The ingredients you'll need for corned beef meatballs is some tinned corned beef, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, diced tinned mushrooms, diced and peeled onions, a large can of chopped tomatoes, diced pepper, tin of ratatouille, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and a sprinkle of pepper for seasoning. For this method, you will need to put all the corned beef into a bowl and mash with a fork. Add the egg, breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of mixed herbs to the mashed corned beef and mix well. Take a tablespoon of the mixture and roll into a ball using your hands. In a pan, add the vegetable oil and add the meatballs. Turn over until golden on all sides. Take off the heat while you make the tomato-based sauce. To make the tomato sauce, Put half a teaspoon of garlic powder, onions, mushrooms, peppers in a pan and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until vegetables have softened. Add more water if needed to prevent sticking. Add the tinned tomatoes, passata tomato puree, water and mixed herbs and gently simmer for 10 minutes. Add the meatball into the sauce and gently simmer for 10 minutes. Season with the pepper. Make sure food is piping hot throughout and serve with a green salad or spaghetti, pasta shapes, rice, jacket potato or garlic bread.
Plate up